the Google Pixel 11 Pro is expected to launch in August 2026. Early leaks and CAD renders suggest it will maintain a design very similar to the Pixel 10 Pro. The Google Pixel 11 Pro keeps the horizontal camera bar that has become the Pixel's signature, but with a slight visual change. This time, the bar appears fully blacked out, instead of blending into the body color around the flash. The display is expected to remain a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, powered by the new Tensor G6 chipset, which is reportedly built on a more efficient 2nm process. Rumored shift from a Samsung modem to a MediaTek M90 modem for potentially better 5G performance and satellite connectivity. Features 16GB of RAM. Storage is likely to start at 128GB or 256GB. A triple rear setup including a 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Anticipated to house a 4870 mAh battery with support for up to 45W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.